comes another big gust. It's been like this all day long. This tent sure is tough. It's amazing. It gets pushed around, but it stands right back up. The wind is not going to stop howling today. It's almost 1 p.m. I just ran out and tried to straighten up a little, but it was futile. I straightened up my tent though. Put rocks on top of the stakes that had pulled loose to pin them down. And now I've actually got more room. It's not tidy by any stretch, but it is home for now. I'm expecting to see some white caps on that little lake. Wow.